Lagos is the most populous city in Africa with population of 15 million. Lagos is a busy port city built on a series of islands and surrounding land on the west coast of Africa. It is one of the fastest growing cities in the world. Lagos is a major African financial center and is the economic hub of Lagos State and Nigeria at large. The city is the cultural, financial, and entertainment capital of Africa, and is a significant influence on commerce, entertainment, technology, education, politics, tourism, art, and fashion. The Lagos metropolitan area is a major educational and cultural center in Sub Saharan Africa. Nevertheless, big challenges remain. The city still has far too many slums and squatter settlements. It lacks a functioning public transportation system, proper traffic management, efficient waste disposal, sanitation, adequate potable water supply and routine road maintenance. Lagos is a melting pot of cultural traditions. The city has a lively growing arts scene, which is as much evident on the streets and in personal celebrations as in formal settings. Lagos is at the center of the most important film industry in Africa, Nollywood, which produces around 1,500 films each year, telling stories of ordinary lives which have an appeal across the continent. It is one of the most important homes of the Afrobeats music movement, one aspect of a huge music scene which is beginning to draw tourists from further afield.